happy Republic Day. And the second time, I would like to thank all the parents who join us here on this holiday time. We understand that what kind of pressure that you will be having during this holiday, because you keep sending your students for tuition, home tuition, or there are so many pressures for you. When students come from class 2, so you will all have, the entire pressure is being transferred to you. So we understand that, and that's what we wanted to finish this program as early as possible, and we'll be announcing the prizes and certificates will be distributed to the students from the top 50 in the AIAA model. And of course, I would like to thank Dr. Muthu Subramanian, who has been spent this valuable time to us, who is the director of SRM University, on such precious time. He has come here and given us a career guidance. Of course, I noted some points like when Chaitanya was speaking about, generally the 12th student or any student, what they follow is if somebody in the friend circle or some class student, they say something, I want to do robotic engineering. When I want to do aeronautical engineering. Everybody keeps following. I'd like to say that there are more than 500 courses in India, like anthropology, cheminformatics, petroleum engineering, bioinformatics, and even in nanotechnology you have agricultural biotechnology and industrial biotechnology. There are 500 courses, more than 500 courses are available in India. What we can study. Anthropology, I can say example, it's a study of human evolution. It's a proof that whether Charles Darwin theory is true or false. An anthropologist can get 80,000 rupees salary in central government. But whereas we are not aware about what are the courses are available, and we were noticed that there are 12 crores of scholarships which is given by SRM. On 2008, August 6, I have read a news line. There are 800 crore rupees in India which is collected as education tax is unutilized. You should understand 800 crore rupees is there in Indian government which is collected as education tax and it is unutilized because it is our duty. We know that there are so many scholarships are available, but we are not going back of them. We don't know where the applications are available and when they are opening, how to approach them. So this is the main information. Information is very well. That is what in focus education, apart from coaching, we give certain additional services like information on courses, information on scholarships, information of application update. Because I keep getting parents were calling after the application got over, they were running behind the application. Where to get it? Because mostly we think that let the student go for a public examination. After that we will decide whether he wants to be or something. I'll just give you a simple information. Whatever the opportunities are available now, it will be available only now. As much as applications you keep collecting and you keep applying for all the universities, in future, like after your board examination, then you will have a voice. You can decide upon yourself. Okay, I got score in the IIT, so I can decide. I wanted to join with SRM, or I can join the NIT Trichy, or I can join in Amrita, whatever it is. There are so many colleges are available. So I can say that when the opportunities are available, please utilize that. There are so much of applications have got finished now. I can say IIT applications are got over, EIIT got over, EIIT got over. Now SRM applications are available with us. So to get any application, if you are a focused student, you just need to send a simple SMS stating that student name, register number, and your caste, whatever the category that you belong to, and the gender, male or female, and the application name. If you want SRM, just type SRM simply and send an SMS to a particular number. This will be given to you now. Okay, there will be information update for you, which you can carry, so that each and every time you just need to send an SMS, and that application will reach your home. So whatever the actual cost of the application, it will be paid by you. Okay? If it is SRM applications are available even in the venue now, you can collect it while going. The cost is 750 rupees. And I hope you all aware about the examination dates. The AIIT got postponed to May 1st and SRM got preponed to 23rd of April. Okay? And our classroom coaching begins from March 26 till April 23. Okay? We are conducting the continuous regular classes. And the special feature with focus education is we handle 2 subjects in a day. Classroom coaching begins after your board examination. We don't want to disturb you when you are doing your board examination because board examination marks very, very important. And at the secondary level, you are going to have this entrance examination mark. Okay? So please understand, do well, and I wish all the students to be at the topper
and thank you very much for